Okay, papaya salad's already chopped, already done. I'm going to show you how to season papaya salad. Papaya salad, everybody love it. When you have one time, you're going to love over and over, okay? This is so good and refreshing. Ingredient is going to be, alright, ingredient. I'm going to start from hot pepper chopped, garlic chopped, lamb set cut, and a tomato, long green bean. Remember that if you want no spice, if you want a little bit spice, you put less spice, okay? Because I love spice, because spice is very power up, like very good. When you eat this, when you feel like down, everything, open up right away. And the last ingredient gonna be lime juice, okay? So let's go start it. It's so easy. Everybody love this papaya. I'm gonna make for party. You know, my son's friend party today. I'm gonna show you how to make this papaya, okay? Alright, let's go start it. So easy, okay? Alright, first cherry hot pepper going down first, and then garlic chopped, lime set chopped, tomato, long green bean. You have to have long green before I make flavor. Okay, is everything in? Now I'm gonna show you. Oh, okay, one more. Lime juice. This is 3 lime juice. Don't look like a whole lot, but that's why I put 3 lime juice. You want very good sour. Okay, it's already in everything. Alright, now I'm gonna do sugar. This is sugar, okay? I'm gonna put 2 spoons sugar. Alright. 2 spoons sugar. And I'm gonna put fish sauce. Very easy seasoning, guys. Fish sauce going to be, I use 3 crab fish sauce, okay? This is a good brand, 3 crab. You can use any kind. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spoons first, okay? Because I don't know if too salty is not very good, so I put 8 spoons. This is 2 papaya, 2 big papaya. Okay, this is a anchovy sauce. Anchovy sauce is padek, okay guys, padek. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoons. Okay. If you don't like too much, don't have to put too much. That's why we call papaya, because of this. Right, I'm gonna go ahead seasoning, okay? Smells so good right now, kicking my nose, make me very hungry to eat this. You can eat this papaya with grilled fish, beef steak, pork steak, seafood. You can dip in anything, or you can put it hot dog. You know, on top of hot dog is so good, and burger. You can do all kind of way, or you can eat by themselves, just salad. So good, guys. Oh, it smells so good. I gotta taste this. It's so good. Yum. See that? So easy. Looking good, right? That's so easy. This is for the party. Oh my god, so good. Eat one more spoon. Sugar. Yep, 1 spoon. So easy, guys. You make the way you want the taste. You want less spice, put less spice. You want more spice, you put, you know, sweet and sour taste. This is very vitamin C, okay? Or what you see right here, I put all the vitamin C, very strong vitamin C. It's a lot of good thing. When you eat this one, you wake up right away. Okay, let me taste it. perfect. So good. So good. Alright guys, done. So good. Oh, so good. Okay. It's done. Okay, this 2 container right here, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. Probably about, I have to say about 10 people, but they have a lot of things to eat. Go ahead and put the container right there. Very easy, and try to make them. Let me know. It's easy to make papayas. Like I saw you go into Thai market, pick up the green papaya and just chop after that. Or with it, I show you. It's very easy. Very easy. And the juice right here, you don't want to lose it. All the juice right here. Everything in here. Okay, done. Here you have the papaya salad, guys. 2 container. You can serve like 10 people because everybody wanna topping with meat they eating, especially whatever meat they have. That's so good. Or you can eat by themselves. Oh my god, so good. Go ahead, try to make. Let me know if you like this taste. Let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more Lao food I cook. Okay, this is Lao papaya salad. I'll show you more. So easy, guys. Okay, be safe. Be kind to another. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye bye.